It's May. Winter has just loosened its grip on southern Alberta. I crave the outdoors. I need to leave the city. After a morning of driving, the highway would run out. We turn onto the gravel road, searching for stillness. It wouldn't be long before we find it. Our first stop would be a man-made lake, lying relatively low in the elevation of the mountains that surround it. In an ideal world, maybe they're just very deep, out of reach, hiding away from everything. It's late May though. In my head, they should be searching for more food, should be hungry after a long winter. Maybe life's not ideal. Unfortunately, there's no fish native to this lake, and the ones that have been stocked here in the past seem to have suffered a worse fate through the winter, likely due to lack of oxygen or something. I don't know. After I packed up my fishing rod, I saw evidence that maybe my theory was correct. Dead fish floating upside down, maybe 20 meters out. I guess not really floating anymore. Seems to have sunk. After a few hours of enjoying the peace, we decided to get back into the Forerunner and travel further south, looking for a place to camp. We stopped at a few places to explore. None of the rivers or creeks that we stopped at today, though, would be fishable for at least another month. Not a problem for me. I don't mind just looking. Eventually we would find a spot to settle down for the night. Maybe we'd have time to set up a tarp and cook dinner, maybe start a fire before the rain could catch back up to us. We set up camp, hiding from the rain, excited for tomorrow. Next day started with coffee. Classic. Today would lead us further south, on the hunt for more adventure and possibly a river to fish. We would need fuel. Not for the car, for our bodies. would make it back off of the route less traveled and onto the highway, stopping quickly at an abandoned colliery. 100 years of history sitting right here. Might as well at least pull over and look. We would make it to our final camping spot for the weekend. A real campground. Change of pace sometimes is nice. The campground also happened to be right on the river, a fishable river. I set out, looking for something. Not knowing what I'd find.
I just stumbled onto it. Animal, bro. Like dead animal, but for sure like deer or something. There's like tufts. And then we got the unit. Bro. There's a whole 6 spinal cord thing down there. What is this? That's like the head, bro. This is something nutters. It's been here a bit, bro. Or maybe that's not the head. Kind of looks like head. I don't really know. Yeah, like that's head and that's maybe, this is like deer for sure. Damn, look at that bone, dude. It looks small on camera. It's a bumblebee on the bug that scared me is a bumblebee on the alpine clematis. Love you, bumblebee. Thank you. I was looking for a shed. Like, if it has a shed, I'd maybe take that, but I don't see that. Maybe somebody already took the shed. Who knows? Alright, check out this spine. Oh, I'm stuck. There we go. This is what I saw first, and then I seen this. That's so cool, dude. I've been like looking for stuff like this, but now that I see one, I actually don't want to take it. But look at this. So crazy. So crazy. Alright. Alright. So this is supposed to be a chill video, and then I found I wanna like, it's so cool, it's like growing out of it. It's like its eyes. Alright. Godspeed, bro. I'm not gonna touch it or take it. It can be here. If somebody else wants to take it, they can, but it's not my business. Disturbing another creature's peace.
I wouldn't catch any fish today. I also didn't feel like I needed to. Went back to camp and had some dinner. Maybe tomorrow would hold a fish for me. The next morning came. It was peaceful, beautiful. Sun was out, and I had a feeling it was going to be a fishy day, so we got ready early and hit the river near camp. I've heard of people catching at the falls. I don't know. I think it may be a little too high right now. But I gave it my shot anyway. Unsuccessfully.
I'm on. I need the net. Oh, he's off, bro. Oops. Yep. Beautiful. First go. Oh, took the big guy too. Beautiful cutthroat. Yeah. Perfect. Beautiful fish, man. It's bleeding a little bit, but it'll be okay. It's feisty. Let's get him out of here. What a beautiful cutty. Oh, he's bleeding a bit, but he'll be alright. He's fast, eh?
It's really fast.
First cast into that hole. I told you this hole had money in it.
Adventure successful. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.